Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and just the other day I showed how you could create this, and then somebody helped me with paint fill. We've gone further and I've added some lines. But let's say you have this and you want it a little different. We'll select it all in Control D, and if you remember, so I've made a duplicate. If you remember in the other videos we rotated it 60 degrees. Well, let's just rotate it 30 degrees and look what happens. Pretty cool. Now we're going to take it and weld it. Now there are some little bitty parts in there that I would delete because they might be too small or you might like them. But whenever you have something like that, you can go to Object and break curve apart, and then that way those individual little dots can be removed. And we're going to remove a few of them, or I'll go ahead and remove them all. And you'll see what it's going to look like as a new design that you took and changed it in like 2 seconds. So let's take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in. Just pick any of the solid lines, and there you have a completely different look. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.